Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the right spring bracket to the display enclosure. Carefully lift the right spring bracket off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. The left spring bracket is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the right spring bracket onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the right spring bracket to the display enclosure. The left spring bracket is replaced in the same manner. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.